फाटल्या 24 वरांत गोंयांत मान्सून नॉर्मल आसा. फुडल्या 4 ते 5 दिसांक दाट पावसाची कांय शक्यताय ना. तशेंच नुस्तेकारांक दर्यांत वचपाक कसलीच शिटकावणी आयिल्ली ना म्हण हवामान खात्यान कळीत केलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Monsoon is normal over the Goa during last 24 hours. The rainfall activity for next 5 days is expected to be widespread rainfall, light to moderate rainfall at most places. No heavy rainfall warning or any other type of warning has been issued for next 5 days. So no warning for fishermen also, port warning, there is no warning. So only normal rainfall, light to moderate at most places is expected during next 5 days. And the rainfall from the beginning of monsoon is normal. It is 2,309 millimeter for Goa state. Normal rainfall for Goa state is 2,677 millimeter. So minus 14% is the departure, which comes in the range of normal. The plus minus 19% is within the normal range. And taluka wise, if you will see, Valpoi has got the maximum rainfall. It has got 3,427 millimeter rainfall till date. And the lowest rainfall is in the Canacona, where it is 1,956 millimeter. So the distribution of rainfall is quite variable from 3,400 to 1,900 till date. But overall it is normal in the state.
Sir, how much more Goa needed?
How much
More required of Goa?
The normal monsoon rainfall is around 3,000 millimeter during the 4 month of monsoon up to the end of September. So we will have to watch, because we have received 2,300. So 700 millimeter rainfall more is required to make it completely normal at the end of September. So at present we are having around 300 millimeter less. So if September we get more rainfall, then it will be totally normal. Otherwise it will be within normal range, because plus minus 19% is the normal range. But the actual 3,000 millimeter rainfall, which is the normal, we need for the 700 millimeter rainfall in the coming month.